Welcome to my channel Quant Finance. Today we are creating something amazing, and first of all let me show that. So I run this app in my Positron IDE, and you see here we have got this box which is called Numeric Input box, and by default it has a value of 10. So it is a numeric input, so you can enter any number here and then it would be displayed here. So for example, if I enter maybe 23 here and then it displays 23 here, this is called a numeric input box. And this we have created with these 6 lines of code, 3 in UI and 3 in server code. So what is happening is that here in the UI we have this layout of the page, which is fluid layout of the page, and then this is numeric input box. NUM is ID of this numeric input box, and enter a number is something that get displayed here when you run this. Here you see enter a number, and then 10 is the default value, and then text output, this code, this part of the code is displaying the numeric value. Server code is doing what? So server code is helping you render and display this value. So this is how we do it in Positron, and we are doing it by using Shiny library. Make sure Shiny is installed here through extensions, and you save this file as app.r. And if you see these problems here, right, there are error messages. They are not error messages. Just right click on one of them and run this file as a source R files, and then you see these will disappear. Run as a source R file would let you run this file on server, and here you can display this output also in the browser. So this is very handy in calculations. So in your UI you can enter some value and then you can use this value to process something. So this is one of the important elements of your interface, numeric input. Stay tuned, and in the next learning we will talk about more user input methods. Thanks. See you later.